From the earliest stories whispered around flickering fires, humanity has always been captivated by the idea of breathing life into inanimate objects. Myths and legends across countless cultures are filled with tales of artificial beings imbued with intelligence, strength, or even a spark of consciousness. These stories reveal a deep-seated desire to transcend the boundaries of our own existence and create something extraordinary. From the intricate clockwork automata of the Middle Ages to the calculating machines of the 19th century, each invention brought us a step closer to turning the dream of thinking machines into a tangible reality. The journey from these early imaginings to the sophisticated algorithms that power our modern world is a testament to the enduring power of human curiosity. It's a story of ambition, ingenuity, and the relentless pursuit of pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And as we stand at the cusp of a new era defined by artificial intelligence, it's more important than ever to understand the historical and cultural forces that have shaped this transformative technology. While the seeds of AI were sown in ancient myths, it was in the 20th century that the dream of artificial intelligence truly began to take shape as a scientific discipline. The year 1956 marked a pivotal moment, the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence. This gathering of brilliant minds, including John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Claude Shannon, and Nathaniel Rochester, is widely regarded as the official birth of AI as a recognized field of study. Their ambitious goal to explore the possibility of creating machines that could simulate any aspect of human intelligence. The Dartmouth Conference was more than just a meeting of minds. It was a bold declaration that artificial intelligence was no longer a far-fetched fantasy, but a tangible field ripe for exploration. The conference ignited a spark that would ignite the imaginations of researchers and engineers worldwide, setting in motion a wave of research and development that continues to this day. However, the path to AI proved to be far more complex and challenging than initially anticipated. Despite the setbacks and challenges, the pursuit of AI never truly ceased. The advent of machine learning marked a significant turning point in the history of AI. Instead of relying on explicitly programmed rules, machine learning algorithms allowed computers to learn from data, identifying patterns and making predictions without being explicitly told what to look for. The rise of the internet and the exponential growth of data further accelerated the development of machine learning. With access to vast datasets, AI systems could now be trained on an unprecedented scale, leading to significant improvements in areas like image recognition, natural language processing, and speech synthesis. The dream of creating machines that could understand and interact with the world in ways that mimicked human capabilities was becoming a tangible reality. As AI systems became increasingly sophisticated, their impact on society became more profound. The story of AI is not merely a tale of technological advancement, it's a reflection of our own human journey, our aspirations and our anxieties. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, we embark on a journey that will take us from the dreams of antiquity to the cutting-edge technologies that are shaping our present and future. This journey will lead us to explore the profound impact AI is having on our world, from revolutionizing industries to raising ethical dilemmas that challenge our very understanding of intelligence, consciousness, and the future of our species. The story of AI is ultimately a story about us, our values, our choices, and the kind of future we want to create. As we stand at this pivotal juncture, it's imperative that we approach the development and deployment of AI with a sense of responsibility, ensuring that this transformative technology is harnessed for the betterment of humanity and the preservation of our planet. The journey ahead is filled with both promise and uncertainty, but one thing is clear: the future will be shaped by our relationship with AI. And as we embark on this journey, we must remember that the most important question is not simply what can AI do, but rather what do we want AI to do for us? The year 1956 marked a pivotal moment in the history of artificial intelligence, a year that would forever etch itself into the annals of technological advancement. It was the year a group of visionary scientists convened at Dartmouth College for a summer workshop that would give birth to a field destined to reshape the world as we knew it. The Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence, as it was formerly known, brought together some of the most brilliant minds in mathematics, computer science, and cognitive science. John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Claude Shannon, Nathaniel Rochester. These pioneers, along with other attendees, shared a conviction that machines could be imbued with the ability to think, learn, and solve problems in ways that mirrored or even surpassed human capabilities. The Dartmouth Conference was more than just a workshop. It was a declaration of intent, a bold proclamation that artificial intelligence was no longer relegated to the realm of speculation, but was now a legitimate field of scientific inquiry. The impact of the Dartmouth Conference extended far beyond those hallowed halls. The ideas exchanged, the collaborations forged, and the sheer intellectual firepower concentrated in that room ignited a spark that spread like wildfire through the scientific community. The years following the Dartmouth Conference were marked by a palpable sense of optimism and excitement in the burgeoning field of AI. One of the earliest and most visible successes in AI came in the form of game-playing programs. Checkers, and later chess, became proving grounds for AI researchers, demonstrating the ability of machines to strategize, learn from experience, and outmaneuver human opponents. Another area of early progress was in the development of chatbots, programs designed to simulate conversation with humans. ELIZA, created by Joseph Weizenbaum in the mid-1960s, stands as a prime example. While far from sophisticated by today's standards, ELIZA's ability to engage in rudimentary conversations, even mimicking the role of a therapist, sparked fascination and, for some, even a sense of unease. These early successes, while significant, were merely glimpses into the potential of AI. The early triumphs in AI research, while exhilarating, masked a fundamental truth. The field was still in its infancy, grappling with limitations that would prove difficult to overcome. The initial optimism that had fueled the first wave of AI research began to wane, as researchers bumped up against the hard realities of computational power, data availability, and the sheer complexity of replicating the nuances of human intelligence. The limitations of early AI systems were starkly apparent. While these systems excelled within narrow domains, such as playing games or solving specific types of problems, they struggled to generalize their knowledge or adapt to new situations. Funding for AI research, once abundant, began to dry up as the initial hype failed to translate into the transformative breakthroughs that had been promised. Despite the setbacks, the pursuit of AI never truly ceased. A core group of dedicated researchers continued to toil away, exploring new approaches, refining existing techniques, and laying the groundwork for the breakthroughs that would eventually propel the field forward once again. The late 20th century marked a turning point in the quest for artificial intelligence, a period when the field began to emerge from the shadow of the AI winter, not with a new algorithm or a more powerful computer, but with a fundamental shift in perspective. The key to unlocking AI's true potential, it turned out, lay not in meticulously programming every rule and exception, but in harnessing the power of data to allow machines to learn for themselves. This paradigm shift gave rise to the era of machine learning, a revolution that would redefine what was possible in the realm of AI. Machine learning at its core is about enabling computers to learn from experience, to identify patterns in vast datasets, and to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed for every eventuality. The rise of the internet, with its explosion of digital information, provided the perfect breeding ground for machine learning to flourish. Suddenly, researchers had access to massive datasets encompassing everything from text and images to financial transactions and social media interactions. The impact of machine learning was swift and transformative. While machine learning marked a significant leap forward, it was the emergence of deep learning, a subfield inspired by the intricate workings of the human brain, that truly propelled AI into uncharted territory. Deep learning algorithms structured as complex networks of interconnected nodes proved to be remarkably adept at extracting intricate patterns from massive datasets, surpassing human capabilities in tasks that had once seemed exclusive to our species. Deep learning's power lies in its ability to learn hierarchical representations of data, automatically discovering intricate features and relationships that would be nearly impossible for humans to identify or articulate. This approach proved to be particularly effective in areas like computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition, fields where traditional machine learning algorithms had struggled to achieve human-level performance. The impact of deep learning was nothing short of revolutionary. In the field of computer vision, deep learning algorithms achieved superhuman accuracy in image classification, object detection, and facial recognition, powering applications ranging from self-driving cars to medical diagnoses. Natural language processing, fueled by deep learning, enabled the development of sophisticated language models capable of generating human-quality text, translating languages with remarkable fluency, and even composing music and poetry. The success of deep learning wasn't merely a matter of algorithmic ingenuity. It was a confluence of factors, including the availability of massive data sets, advancements in computing power, particularly the rise of graphics processing units, GPUs, and the tireless efforts of researchers pushing the boundaries of what was possible. Deep learning became the engine driving a new wave of AI applications, transforming industries and capturing the public's imagination with its seemingly limitless potential. The world took notice. Deep learning's achievements, once confined to research labs, were now making headlines, demonstrating the ability of machines to not only perform tasks that had once seemed exclusive to humans, but to surpass human capabilities in some domains. The future of AI, once shrouded in uncertainty, was suddenly bright with possibility, and deep learning was at the forefront of this technological revolution. The advancements in machine learning and deep learning didn't remain confined to research labs or the digital realm. They spilled over into the real world, transforming industries and permeating our daily lives in ways both subtle and profound. AI was no longer a futuristic fantasy. It was becoming an integral part of our present, embedded in the technologies we used, the services we relied upon, and the decisions that shaped our world. Virtual assistants, powered by natural language processing and machine learning, became ubiquitous, responding to our queries, managing our schedules, and controlling our smart homes with increasing sophistication. The algorithms that curated our social media feeds, recommended products, and personalized our online experiences became so seamlessly integrated into our lives that we often forgot they were there, silently shaping our perceptions and influencing our choices. The impact of AI extended far beyond the digital realm. In healthcare, AI algorithms began assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images with superhuman accuracy, and even predicting patient outcomes with increasing reliability. Self-driving cars, equipped with an array of sensors and powered by deep learning algorithms, navigated complex environments, promising to revolutionize transportation and reduce traffic accidents. In manufacturing, robots powered by AI worked alongside humans, automating repetitive tasks, improving efficiency, and enabling the creation of entirely new products. Financial institutions leveraged AI to detect fraud, manage risk, and provide personalized financial advice. The applications of AI were as diverse as the industries it touched, transforming the way we worked, lived, and interacted with the world around us. The rapid proliferation of AI wasn't without its challenges. Concerns about job displacement, algorithmic bias, and the ethical implications of increasingly sophisticated AI systems fueled debates about the responsible development and deployment of this transformative technology. The future, it seemed, would be shaped not only by the capabilities of AI, but also by our choices about how we harnessed its power, ensuring that it served humanity's best interests. In the tapestry of modern life, artificial intelligence has woven itself into the very fabric of our existence, often operating so seamlessly, so invisibly that we scarcely notice its presence. It's the unseen hand that guides our digital interactions, personalizes our online experiences, and shapes the flow of information that reaches our fingertips. Like an invisible orchestra conductor, AI orchestrates a symphony of digital interactions that have become so integral to our daily routines that we often take them for granted. Consider the simple act of unlocking your smartphone. A facial recognition algorithm powered by AI instantly verifies your identity, granting you access to a world of information and connectivity. Open a social media app and AI algorithms curate your feed, surfacing content they predict you'll find engaging, tailoring your experience based on your past behavior and preferences. Search for information online, and AI-powered search engines sift through billions of web pages in milliseconds, returning the most relevant results based on your query. The reach of AI extends far beyond our personal devices. Traffic lights, guided by AI, optimize traffic flow to reduce congestion and improve safety. Financial institutions rely on AI to detect fraudulent transactions, analyze market trends, and provide personalized financial advice. Retailers leverage AI to personalize marketing campaigns, optimize pricing strategies, and predict consumer demand with increasing accuracy. Yet for many, this pervasive presence of AI remains largely unnoticed, blending seamlessly into the background of our digital lives. We reap the benefits of its efficiency, personalization, and convenience without necessarily pausing to consider the complex algorithms working tirelessly behind the scenes. This invisibility, however, should not be mistaken for insignificance. AI's influence on our world is profound and growing, shaping our experiences, influencing our decisions, and redefining the boundaries of what's possible. Beyond its often subtle presence in our everyday lives, AI is also making its mark as a transformative force across a wide range of industries. From healthcare and finance to manufacturing and transportation, AI is reshaping traditional practices, unlocking new possibilities, and driving innovation at an unprecedented pace. Its impact is being felt not only in terms of increased efficiency and productivity, but also in the development of entirely new products, services, and solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. In healthcare, AI is playing an increasingly vital role in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images such as X-rays and MRIs with superhuman accuracy, identifying subtle anomalies that might escape even the most experienced human eye. Machine learning algorithms are being trained on massive data sets of patient data, enabling them to predict patient outcomes, identify individuals at risk of developing certain diseases, and personalize treatment plans based on individual genetic profiles. The financial industry is undergoing a similar transformation, with AI being deployed to detect fraud, manage risk, and automate trading decisions. SEI-powered chatbots are providing personalized financial advice to customers, while machine learning algorithms are analyzing market trends and identifying investment opportunities with a speed and accuracy that surpasses human capabilities. The transportation sector is on the cusp of a revolution, driven by the development of self-driving vehicles. AI is at the heart of these autonomous systems, enabling them to perceive their surroundings, make split-second decisions, and navigate complex environments with increasing reliability. The widespread adoption of self-driving cars, trucks, and even aircraft has the potential to transform our cities, reduce traffic accidents, and revolutionize the way we transport goods and people. These are just a few examples of the transformative impact AI is having across various industries. In each case, AI is not simply automating existing tasks. It's fundamentally changing the way we approach problems, opening up new avenues for innovation, and creating a future where the boundaries of what's possible are constantly being redefined. We stand at a pivotal moment in human history, a point in time when artificial intelligence is transitioning from a technological novelty to a defining force shaping the course of our civilization. This is the age of AI, an era where intelligent machines are no longer a futuristic fantasy, but an undeniable reality woven into the fabric of our lives, driving innovation and challenging our understanding of what's possible. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it's essential that we approach the rise of AI with both a sense of wonder and a healthy dose of caution. The benefits of AI are undeniable. It has the potential to revolutionize industries, solve complex problems, and improve the quality of life for people around the world. AI-powered healthcare systems could lead to earlier diagnoses, more effective treatments, and even the eradication of certain diseases. Self-driving cars could significantly reduce traffic accidents and make transportation more accessible to those who are unable to drive themselves. AI-powered educational tools could personalize learning experiences and provide students with the individualized support they need to thrive. However, the rise of AI also presents us with profound challenges and ethical dilemmas that we must confront with wisdom and foresight. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for job displacement as AI systems become increasingly capable of performing tasks that were once the exclusive domain of humans. Addressing this challenge will require a multifaceted approach, including retraining programs, investments in education, and perhaps even a rethinking of our social safety nets. Another concern is the potential for AI to be used in ways that exacerbate existing inequalities or create new ones. If AI systems are trained on biased data, they can perpetuate and even amplify those biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Ensuring that AI is developed and deployed ethically, with fairness and justice as guiding principles, is crucial if we want to avoid creating a future where the benefits of this technology are not shared equally. The age of AI is not simply about technological advancement, it's about making choices, setting priorities, and shaping a future that aligns with our values. It's about harnessing the power of AI to create a more just, equitable, and sustainable world, while also mitigating the risks and ensuring that this technology serves humanity, not the other way around. The journey ahead will be filled with both promise and uncertainty, but one thing is clear. The future of AI is inextricably intertwined with the future of humanity. For all its transformative potential, artificial intelligence is not a neutral force. It's a mirror reflecting the values, biases, and assumptions of its creators, the humans who design the algorithms, collect and label the data, and ultimately determine how AI systems are deployed. This inherent subjectivity poses a significant risk, as AI systems, if not carefully designed and monitored, can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases, leading to unfair, discriminatory, and potentially harmful outcomes. One of the most concerning manifestations of bias in AI is in the realm of facial recognition technology. Studies have shown that some facial recognition systems, trained primarily on datasets of lighter-skinned individuals, exhibit significantly higher error rates when identifying people of color, particularly women of color. These errors, while often attributed to technical limitations, have real-world consequences, potentially leading to misidentification by law enforcement, biased hiring practices, and a reinforcement of existing racial inequalities. Bias can also creep into AI systems used in criminal justice, finance, and healthcare. Algorithms designed to predict recidivism rates, assess creditworthiness, or allocate healthcare resources, if trained on biased data, can perpetuate historical patterns of discrimination, disproportionately impacting marginalized communities. For instance, an algorithm used to predict recidivism rates, if trained on data that reflects existing racial biases in the criminal justice system, could end up unfairly labeling individuals from certain racial groups as higher risk, perpetuating a cycle of inequality. Addressing bias in AI is not simply a matter of technical fine-tuning. It requires a fundamental shift in perspective, a recognition that AI systems are not objective arbiters of truth, but rather products of human design, imbued with the same biases and limitations as their creators. Mitigating bias requires a multifaceted approach, including diversifying the teams developing AI, carefully curating and auditing training datasets to ensure representation and fairness, and implementing mechanisms for transparency and accountability throughout the AI lifecycle. Failure to address bias in AI not only undermines the technology's transformative potential, but also risks exacerbating existing societal inequalities, creating a future where the benefits of AI are not shared equally. The convergence of artificial intelligence with advances in sensor technology, data storage, and processing power has given rise to a new era of surveillance, one where governments and corporations can monitor and track individuals with unprecedented reach and granularity. While proponents argue that these technologies are essential for maintaining public safety and preventing crime, critics warn of the potential for abuse, erosion of privacy, and the chilling effect on dissent and free expression. In cities around the world, facial recognition cameras are being deployed in public spaces, scanning faces in real time and matching them against databases of known individuals. While often justified as a tool for identifying criminals and terrorists, this technology raises serious concerns about the erosion of privacy, particularly when combined with other forms of data collection such as location tracking and social media monitoring. The potential for abuse is significant, with authoritarian regimes in particular using these technologies to suppress dissent, target activists, and maintain control over their populations. The use of AI in surveillance extends far beyond facial recognition. Predictive policing algorithms used by law enforcement agencies to forecast crime hotspots and identify potential offenders have come under scrutiny for perpetuating existing biases and potentially leading to over-policing in marginalized communities. Social media platforms powered by AI are increasingly being used to monitor user activity, identify potential threats, and even predict political leanings, raising concerns about censorship, manipulation, and the chilling effect on free speech. The rise of the AI-powered surveillance state raises fundamental questions about the balance between security and freedom in the digital age. While technology itself is not inherently good or bad, the way it's developed, deployed, and regulated will have profound implications for the future of privacy, civil liberties, and democratic values. Establishing clear ethical guidelines, robust oversight mechanisms, and legal frameworks that protect individual rights is essential to prevent the dystopian scenario of a world where every move is tracked, analyzed, and potentially used against us. As artificial intelligence continues its relentless march toward greater sophistication, a question that was once confined to the realm of science fiction is now being seriously considered by philosophers, scientists, and policymakers alike. What happens if we succeed in creating an AI that surpasses human intelligence in every conceivable way? The prospect of superintelligence, while still hypothetical, raises profound existential questions about the future of humanity and our place in a world where we may no longer be the most intelligent beings. Proponents of superintelligence argue that it has the potential to solve some of humanity's most intractable problems, from curing diseases to addressing climate change. They envision a future where superintelligent AI works in harmony with humans, augmenting our abilities and guiding us toward a brighter future. However, others caution that the development of superintelligence could pose an existential threat, as a self-aware, self-improving AI might not share our values or goals and could potentially view humans as a threat to its own existence. The control problem, as it's often called, lies at the heart of this existential angst. How do we ensure that a superintelligent AI, with cognitive abilities far exceeding our own, remains aligned with human values and goals? How do we prevent it from pursuing objectives that might be detrimental to our interests, even if those objectives seem perfectly logical from its perspective? These are not merely theoretical questions. They are challenges that we must confront now, as we lay the groundwork for the future of AI. Addressing the potential risks of superintelligence requires a multidisciplinary approach, bringing together experts from fields such as computer science, philosophy, ethics, and law to develop robust safety mechanisms, ethical frameworks, and perhaps even new models of governance for a future where AI may play an increasingly prominent role in shaping the destiny of our species. The stakes are high, and the decisions we make today will have far-reaching consequences for generations to come. As we venture into this uncharted territory, humility, caution, and a deep respect for the potential power of the technology we're creating are essential if we are to navigate the path toward a future where both humanity and artificial intelligence can thrive. The narrative surrounding artificial intelligence often gets caught in a dichotomy: humans versus machines, a battle for supremacy between creator and creation. This adversarial framing, however, obscures a far more compelling and ultimately more hopeful vision of the future, one where humans and AI coexist, not as competitors but as collaborators, each augmenting the other's strengths and working in synergy to achieve common goals. This is not to say that the potential risks and challenges posed by AI should be ignored. Rather, it's a call to shift our focus from a zero-sum game to a collaborative paradigm, where the combined ingenuity of humans and machines paves the way for a brighter future. Imagine a world where doctors, armed with AI-powered diagnostic tools, can identify diseases at their earliest stages, personalize treatments with unprecedented precision, and develop cures for ailments that have long plagued humanity. Imagine classrooms where AI tutors provide individualized support to students, adapting to their learning styles, identifying their strengths and weaknesses, and fostering a love of learning that extends far beyond the confines of the classroom. This collaborative future extends beyond specific professions. In the realm of scientific discovery, AI can analyze massive data sets, identify patterns that would elude human researchers, and accelerate the pace of breakthroughs in fields ranging from medicine and material science to renewable energy and climate change mitigation. In creative endeavors, AI can serve as a muse, inspiring artists, musicians, and writers with novel ideas, pushing the boundaries of artistic expression and challenging our notions of what creativity itself can be. The key to unlocking this collaborative potential lies in recognizing that AI is not a replacement for human intelligence, but rather a powerful tool that can amplify our abilities, extend our reach, and help us to overcome our limitations. It's about embracing a future where humans and AI work together, each playing to their strengths to solve complex problems, create new possibilities, and build a better world for ourselves and generations to come. The true promise of artificial intelligence lies not in replacing humans, but in augmenting human potential, empowering us to achieve greater things than we ever could alone. AI has the potential to enhance our cognitive abilities, expand our creative horizons, and connect us to information and insights that would otherwise remain hidden from view. This augmentation, however, should not be seen as a one-way street. It's about creating a symbiotic relationship where humans and AI learn from each other, evolving together to reach new heights of understanding and achievement. Imagine a world where language barriers are a thing of the past, thanks to AI-powered translation tools that facilitate seamless communication between people from different cultures and backgrounds. Imagine architects and engineers aided by AI design tools, creating sustainable, resilient cities that seamlessly integrate with the natural environment, optimizing for energy efficiency, livability, and human well-being. The augmentation of human potential through AI extends to the realm of personal growth and well-being. AI-powered fitness trackers and health monitoring devices can provide personalized insights into our physical health, enabling us to make informed decisions about our diet, exercise, and overall well-being. Mental health apps powered by AI can offer support, guidance, and even early intervention for those struggling with anxiety, depression, or other mental health challenges. This augmentation, however, is not without its challenges. As AI systems become more integrated into our lives, it's essential to ensure that they are designed and deployed in ways that respect human autonomy, privacy, and agency. We must be mindful of the potential for over-reliance on AI, ensuring that it complements rather than supplants human judgment, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. The goal should not be to create a world where humans are subservient to machines, but rather one where we leverage the power of AI to unlock our full potential and create a more just, equitable, and fulfilling future for all. The future of artificial intelligence is not predetermined. It's a future that we are actively shaping through the choices we make today. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it's essential that we proceed with both a sense of responsibility and a commitment to ensuring that AI is developed and deployed in a manner that benefits all of humanity. This requires a global conversation, a collective effort to establish ethical guidelines, regulatory frameworks, and social norms that ensure AI's transformative power is harnessed for good. One of the most pressing challenges is to address the potential for bias in AI systems. This requires a multifaceted approach, including diversifying the teams developing AI, carefully curating and auditing training data sets to ensure representation and fairness, and implementing mechanisms for transparency and accountability throughout the AI lifecycle. We must be vigilant in identifying and mitigating bias, ensuring that AI systems do not perpetuate or exacerbate existing societal inequalities. Equally important is the need to address the potential economic and social disruptions that may arise from widespread AI adoption. As AI systems become increasingly capable of performing tasks that were once the exclusive domain of humans, we must proactively address the potential for job displacement, investing in education, retraining programs, and perhaps even exploring new models of social safety nets. The development of artificial intelligence is a global endeavor, and shaping a responsible AI future requires international collaboration, open dialogue, and a shared commitment to ethical principles. We must work together to establish global standards for AI safety, security, and ethics, ensuring that this transformative technology is used for the betterment of humanity and the preservation of our planet. The future of AI is not something to be feared, but rather an opportunity to shape a world that reflects our shared values, aspirations, and hopes for a brighter tomorrow. The journey of artificial intelligence has been a long and winding one, marked by moments of both breathtaking progress and sobering setbacks. From the ancient myths that first imagined artificial beings to the digital algorithms that now permeate our lives, the pursuit of AI reflects a fundamental human desire to understand, replicate, and perhaps even transcend the boundaries of our intelligence. This quest has led us from the workshops of early inventors, where intricate clockwork automata hinted at the possibilities to come, to the bustling laboratories of today, where researchers push the boundaries of what's possible with each passing day. The birth of AI as a formal field of study at the 1956 Dartmouth Conference marked a pivotal turning point, a moment when the dream of creating thinking machines transitioned from the realm of science fiction to the realm of scientific inquiry. The early successes, though limited in scope, fueled a wave of optimism, a belief that human-level artificial intelligence was just around the corner. However, the path to AI proved to be more challenging than initially anticipated. The AI winter, a period of reduced funding and research, served as a sobering reminder of the complexity of replicating the nuances of human intelligence. The emergence of machine learning and later deep learning marked a paradigm shift in AI, enabling computers to learn from data and achieve superhuman performance in tasks that had once seemed exclusive to humans. This breakthrough, fueled by the exponential growth of data and computing power, propelled AI into the mainstream, transforming industries, permeating our daily lives, and sparking both excitement and anxiety about the future. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into the fabric of our world, it's essential to reflect on the complex and evolving relationship between humans and these intelligent machines. AI is not simply a tool, it's a mirror reflecting our values, biases, and aspirations. It has the potential to amplify our best qualities, our creativity, our compassion, our ingenuity, but it also has the power to magnify our worst impulses, our prejudices, our greed, our capacity for destruction. One of the most pressing challenges we face is ensuring that AI is developed and deployed ethically in a manner that benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. We must be vigilant in addressing the potential for bias in AI systems, ensuring that they do not perpetuate or exacerbate existing societal inequalities. We must also grapple with the economic and social implications of widespread AI adoption, preparing for potential job displacement and creating opportunities for all to thrive in an AI-powered world. Beyond the practical challenges, we must also confront the philosophical and existential questions posed by AI. What does it mean to be human in an age of intelligent machines? How do we define intelligence, consciousness, and free will in a world where machines may soon surpass us in these domains? These are not easy questions, but they are questions that we must grapple with if we are to shape a future where both humanity and artificial intelligence can flourish. The development of artificial intelligence is not a solitary pursuit, it's a collective endeavor, one that demands collaboration, open dialogue, and a shared commitment to ethical principles. No single company, country, or culture has all the answers. We must work together across disciplines and borders to ensure that AI is used for the betterment of humanity and the preservation of our planet. This collective wisdom must be reflected in the development of robust ethical guidelines, regulatory frameworks, and international agreements that govern the development and deployment of AI. We need to establish clear principles for AI safety, security, and ethics, ensuring that these technologies are aligned with human values and do not pose an existential threat to our species. Education and public engagement are also crucial. We need to demystify AI, making it accessible to people from all walks of life, so that everyone can participate in informed discussions about its implications and potential impact. This includes fostering AI literacy in our schools, universities, and communities, empowering future generations to become responsible stewards of this transformative technology. The future of artificial intelligence is not predetermined. It's a future that we are actively shaping through the choices we make today. We have the opportunity to create a future where AI augments human potential, solves global challenges, and ushers in an era of unprecedented progress and prosperity. However, we must proceed with both a sense of wonder and a healthy dose of caution, recognizing that the path to a brighter future requires careful navigation, thoughtful deliberation, and a steadfast commitment to our shared humanity. As we stand at this crossroads, let us remember that the future of AI is not something to be feared, but rather an opportunity to create a world that reflects our highest ideals. It's a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. It's a future where intelligence, both human and artificial, is used to solve the world's most pressing problems, from poverty and disease to climate change and inequality. It's a future where collaboration triumphs over competition, where empathy guides our actions, and where the pursuit of knowledge and understanding knows no bounds. This is the future we must strive to create, a future where artificial intelligence helps us to become more fully human, not less.